It is very important. How to run in winter. In the cold season, jogging needs to be prepared especially carefully. Cold makes muscles and joints less flexible, so in winter you need special training. Pay particular attention to the warm-up in winter, increase your workout to 15 minutes. Thus, when you find yourself on the street your muscles will not be so clogged. Keep your head and hands warm if you do not want to catch a cold, then put on a warm hat or headphones and gloves. Wear thermal underwear. It is ideal for winter because it retains heat almost like a wool coat and absorbs moisture quickly. Do not get too warm during a run, the body will begin to actively release heat, and you simply overheat. Keep an eye on the pulse in the cold, the heart beats faster so that the blood circulates more actively and does not freeze. The ideal pulse for winter running is from 130 to 150 beats per minute. Choose the right shoes. Wear shoes with special soles and warm, comfortable socks. Drink water. Although the street is not as warm as in the summer, do not forget to maintain the water balance in the body. Go warm right away after a run, your body temperature will drop quickly, so get ready in advance. Well, and the last tip, run no more than 30 to 60 minutes, otherwise you risk jeopardizing your immune system. And being in the cold is simply unpleasant.